Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through 3 great code to extend ringtone time on Android phone. So if you want to extend your ringtone time in Android phone, all you need to do is just go to your phone and dial some calls. So go to your phone and now just dial star star 61 star 121 star your dial code number star star the second you want, just like 30 seconds and hash. Now just call. Now here you can see the call forwarding registration was successful. So guys, that's how you can make your call extended, just like 25 seconds, 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and it will be done. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.